y'all, what's up, what's good, what's goody? It's your girl D back here with another video. Today we are going to be washing my hair, y'all, because it's kind of oily and I want to freshen it up a little bit before my next install. I done had it in 2 weeks. We're gonna go ahead, get started. I'm gonna take this bonnet off to see what we working with. I have bed head, y'all, because I did not wrap my hair up like I normally do. I usually pin curl it at night, but because I knew I was washing my hair today, I did not do any of that. This is how it looks straight out the bonnet. As you can see, it's a little oily, but it's not as bouncy as it was when I first got it done. So we're gonna go ahead, do a wash, and I'm gonna show y'all some of the products that I'm using. So I will be washing my hair with this conditioning shampoo by Mielle. Y'all, I love this shampoo because the slip is so good. The smell is good too, but I love the slip. I have thin, coily hair, and I don't know, a lot of shampoos just don't be working for me. But this, honey, gets the job done. I don't normally put a lot of products in my hair, a lot of oils, greases, and things of that nature. So normally I will not go in with a cleansing shampoo. I just use a conditioner. However, today I don't have the conditioner that I normally use. So we're gonna go in with a very, very light shampoo. This is by Camilla Rose. It is a cleansing milk, and followed by that I will deep conditioning. I'm thinking that I'm going to deep conditioning with the Mielle products again. If not, I'll just go in with a little bit of leave-in conditioner and call it a day. Anywho, let's get straight into this video, y'all. I'm about to hop in the shower and get to washing this hair.
16 carriages driving away while I watch them ride with my dreams away to the summer sunset on a holy night on a long black road of the tears I fight. 16 carriages driving away while I watch them ride with my dreams away to the summer sunset on a holy night on a long black road of the tears I fight. 15, the innocence was gone astray. Had to leave my home at an early age. I saw mama praying, I saw daddy crying. All my tender problems had to leave behind. It's been umpteen summers and I'm not in my bed. On the back of the bus in a bunk with the band. Going so hard, gotta choose myself. Underpaid and overwhelmed. I might cut clean but still won't go. Still working all my life, you know. Only God knows, only God knows, only God knows. 16 carriages driving away while I watch them ride with my fears away to the summer sunset on a holy night on a long back road. All the tears I fight. 16 carriages driving away while I watch them ride with my fears away to the summer sunset on a holy night on a long.
So I just finished washing my hair. The whole goal when washing your quick weave is not to get your scalp wet, because if you wet that protective shield that they have over your hair to protect your hair from the glue, the tracks will probably start sliding out, or the whole cap will probably come off if you wet it. So please, please, please don't wet it. This part up here, I decided to wash in the sink because using that shower head was gonna have my whole top of my head wet. So we just got out the shower and washed my leave out in the sink. Right now, I'm just sitting, waiting for this conditioner to do work its magic. Eventually, I'm gonna wash that out and then prep my hair for blow drying and styling. I just put on some fresh pajamas because I was all wet, girl, and I don't tie my hair or dry my hair with a towel. I usually use like some clothing or something of a different fabric because I want something that's like easy and gentle on my hair. So I normally use a t-shirt or some PJs. Anywho, y'all, my hair is semi-dry, just from having it wrapped up in my pajamas. But I'm about to go ahead and apply some heat protectant and then blow dry my hair. Again, Mielle products.
about you for quite a while. You're on my mind every day and every night. My every thought is you. The things you do seem so satisfying to me. I must confess it, girl. Ooh, and I like it. You send chills up my spine every time I take one look at you.
Put me on display, put me on display, yeah, yeah.
Girl, you're blowing my mind with the things you say to me. I like the way you comb your hair, and I like those stylish clothes you wear. It's just the little things you do that show how much you really care.
Okay, y'all, so my hair is pretty much ready for curls. However, these ends, baby, I don't like them. I like my ends to be even. It just makes the curls come out a little bit better. So I'm going to cut an even line at the end of the hair.
You really care, like when I'm all alone with you. You know exactly what to do. You put that fire inside of me and make me love just to dream. Ooh, and I like it. You send chills up my spine every time I take one look at you.
Okay, so this is where a lot of people make mistakes. Depending on what tool you use, your curls are going to turn out different. For an example, right now I am using a barrel curler. You will need a barrel curler to achieve these curls. You won't be able to achieve these curls with a flat iron. It is also important to pay attention to the way that the curlers are being flipped. Flipping the curlers upward or flipping the curlers under is going to give you two different types of curls. Take notice of where the ends of the hair end up on the curler. Sometimes it's closer to the top or the tip of the barrel curler, and sometimes it's near the handle. I'll explain. As you can see here, I am twisting the curlers upward towards me, and the end of my hair will end up at the tip or the top of the barrel curler.
You don't think that I realize how you did.
Run this by you just one more time. You're on my mind every day and every night. My every thought is you. The things you do seem so satisfying to me. I must confess it, girl. Ooh, and I like it. You send chills.
Now that I'm at the top of the hair, I'm going to show you the wrong way to curl your hair. As you can see, I'm taking the curler inward and the end of my hair is at the tip or the top of the curling iron. Once I release this curl, you're going to see that I hate the formation of this curl, and I'm going to redo it and show you the correct way. This time I'm going under again and towards me, but the tip of my hair is more towards the handle instead of towards the tip of the curling iron. Once I brush that hair back, you can see that it's going to give me that bang feathered look that I like at the top of my hair. And once you get to the very, very top portion of the quick weave, you want to blend your hair in with that curl so that it can seamlessly blend with the weave. And look at that. You're going to do the whole top of your head like this so you can get that feathered look at the top.
You send chills up my spine every time I take one look at you. Ooh, and I like it. Girl, you're blowing my mind with the things you say to me. I like the way you comb your hair, and I like those stylish clothes you wear. It's just the little things you do that show how much you really care. Like when I'm all alone with you, you know exactly what to do. You put that fire inside me and makes you love just to dream. I like it, I really, really like it. I'm for it, adore it, so
order to get the curls to look fluffy like this the next day, I would suggest pin curling it. Me, I typically part my hair in 4 sections, 2 in the front and 2 in the back, and pin curl it. And the next day, I'm blessed with beautiful curls. If y'all would like me to show y'all how I achieve that the next day, let me know down in the comment section below. And yeah, y'all, put a thumbs up if y'all loving these curls and this video helped you. Please hit that subscribe button, come join your girl, and thank you all for watching today's video. Can't wait to see you in the next one.